The psychology of wealth accumulation. How our mindset affects our ability to accumulate wealth over time. Wealth accumulation is not solely a result of financial strategies and investments. A significant factor that plays a pivotal role in this journey is our mindset. The way we think about money, success, and our own capabilities can have a profound impact on our ability to build and sustain wealth over time. This phenomenon is known as the psychology of wealth accumulation. Mindset and wealth accumulation. Our mindset shapes our financial behavior and decisions, directly influencing our wealth accumulation efforts. The psychology of wealth accumulation revolves around two main mindsets: the scarcity mindset and the abundance mindset. 1. Scarcity mindset. Individuals with a scarcity mindset view resources, including money, as limited. They often worry about running out of money and feel a constant need to hoard it. This mindset can lead to overspending anxieties, fear of taking calculated risks, and reluctance to invest in opportunities that could potentially lead to wealth growth. 2. Abundance mindset. On the other hand, those with an abundance mindset believe that opportunities are limitless and that they can create wealth through strategic decisions. They focus on the potential for growth, are open to taking calculated risks, and view setbacks as temporary challenges rather than permanent failures. This mindset encourages individuals to invest in their education, seek new avenues of income, and embrace long-term wealth-building strategies. Belief systems and wealth. Our beliefs about money, success, and self-worth significantly influence our financial behavior. Those who believe that they are capable of achieving financial success are more likely to take steps towards accumulating wealth. In contrast, individuals with self-limiting beliefs often sabotage their efforts, doubting their capabilities and avoiding financial risks. Delayed gratification. Imagine facing a choice between immediate pleasure and a future reward. Delayed gratification is the art of opting for the latter. It's about foregoing that instant purchase, indulgence, or experience to reap greater benefits down the road. Start small by delaying minor indulgences, like a coffee or an impulse buy. Gradually extend this practice to more significant decisions. Consider setting up a separate savings account for your delayed gratification fund. As you witness this account growing, your patience muscles strengthen. Visualize the long-term gain: a dream vacation, debt reduction, or a major investment. This mental image fortifies your commitment to the delayed gratification principle. Over time, delayed gratification becomes a powerful habit that empowers you to make choices aligned with your financial goals. Goals and visualization. Setting financial goals is akin to charting a map to your desired destination. Begin by defining clear and achievable goals. Whether it's building an emergency fund, paying off debt, or saving for a down payment. Break these larger goals into smaller milestones to track your progress. Visualization adds an extra layer of motivation. Imagine achieving these goals. See yourself debt-free, holding the keys to your dream home. Create a vision board with images representing your aspirations. Display it prominently to serve as a daily reminder of your financial dreams. Visualization cultivates a sense of purpose, spurring you to stay consistent in your efforts. Celebrate each milestone reached, and as you cross off goals on your list, the satisfaction fuels your determination to conquer the next one. Self-discipline and consistency. Consistency and self-discipline form the bedrock of success when it comes to building wealth. Picture diligently setting aside a portion of your income into savings or investments, regardless of the amount, and watching it grow substantially over time. Imagine automating transfers to investment accounts, removing the temptation to skip contributions. It's about crafting a budget and adhering to it with unwavering determination, making deliberate spending choices to remain on track. Reinvesting dividends instead of spending them, embracing a long-term investment perspective amidst market fluctuations, and committing to debt repayment plans all demand a steadfast commitment to disciplined financial actions. It's the ability to avoid lifestyle inflation as your income grows, channeling the surplus towards savings and investments. Consistency extends to knowledge acquisition, ensuring that you're continuously educating yourself about personal finance. Staying patient during market volatility, setting achievable milestones, and tracking progress with discipline are all integral to the journey. In essence, consistency and self-discipline are the twin engines that drive your financial journey, pushing you toward your wealth goals with unyielding resolve. Overcoming fear of failure. Fear of failure often paralyzes potential progress. But imagine viewing failure as a stepping stone to success. Reframe your perspective. Setbacks are learning opportunities that refine your approach. Start small to build resilience. Whether it's a new investment or a business endeavor, accept that not every outcome will be favorable. Develop contingency plans to mitigate potential risks. Surround yourself with a supportive network that encourages calculated risk-taking. Remind yourself of past achievements, overcoming obstacles that initially seemed insurmountable. Each challenge conquered serves as a reminder that setbacks aren't permanent. Cultivating this mindset of embracing failure as growth empowers you to venture into uncharted territories, confident in your ability to navigate challenges with resilience. Financial education. Financial education is the cornerstone of informed decision-making on our journey to wealth accumulation. It's the key that unlocks the door to a world of smart financial choices. With financial education, we gain the power to navigate the intricate maze of investments, savings, and strategies. We become skilled at managing risks, identifying scams, and making choices that safeguard our hard-earned resources. Understanding budgeting techniques, debt management, and tax strategies empowers us to wield our income wisely. Beyond the immediate, financial education equips us with lifelong skills. It keeps us updated on ever-evolving financial landscapes, ensuring our strategies remain relevant. Armed with knowledge, we approach our finances with confidence, assured that we're making decisions that align with our goals. And as we enrich our own lives through financial literacy, we pass the torch of wisdom to future generations, setting them up for a secure and prosperous future. In conclusion, the psychology of wealth accumulation underscores the critical role our mindset plays in shaping our financial journey. An abundance mindset, belief in our capabilities, delayed gratification, goal setting, self-discipline, and overcoming fear are all factors that significantly impact our ability to accumulate wealth over time. By understanding and harnessing the power of our psychological tendencies, we can transform our approach to money, make strategic decisions, and create a solid foundation for long-term wealth growth. Thanks for watching the Wealth Psyche Club.